In this video, I'm going to show you how you can crop your video in Wondershare Filmora. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking my video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, so I want to go ahead and crop this video such that I don't want to show the upper part. I just want to show half of it and then also move it to a particular spot, maybe say at the right corner here. To do so, it is quite simple. You can see I have here two videos and they are on different timelines. Now to crop the video, go ahead and select the timeline that you want to crop. I want to select this second timeline. Then head over to this crop tool. Here it is. If you click on it, now we have here an option to go ahead and crop it. So you can use this to crop your video the way you want and it will be applied, and you can do it in various aspects. Alternatively, you can just go ahead and change the ratio. You can see currently it is 9:16, but I like to go ahead and make it a square. So I'll choose 1 by 1 and then just go ahead and indicate where I want this to be applied. And for my case, I want it to be applied here, and you can also enlarge it, and that is it. So once you're done, go ahead and click on apply to add the changes. However, the problem is you can see it covers almost the whole part of the video, but I like to go ahead and reduce this so that it does not cover or obstruct the video on my first timeline. To do so, go ahead and click on the timeline of this video that you want to reduce the size. And once you have clicked on it, go over to this edit option here. And then now you can reduce the scale by zooming in or out like this. So I like it to be of this size, and that is it. To move it around, go ahead and click on it and then just move it where you want it to be domiciled. So I want it to be placed here or to sit there. And now if I go ahead and play my whole video, you can see we have now these two videos and one has been cropped and they are all playing alongside each other. So that's how you can crop videos on Filmora. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.